In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue where your mouse cursor goes off the screen inside of the Roblox app. So to fix this issue, you will first need to come over to the Start menu, and we're going to search for Settings and then just head over to the Settings app. Come inside of Apps from the left-hand side here, inside of Installed Apps, and we're just going to go ahead and search our apps for Roblox. And now this will only work if you have the version of Roblox that has been installed from the Microsoft Store. If you are using a web version, then you can skip this step and move on to the next method. So if you do have the Microsoft Store version of Roblox installed, then we can come over to these three little dots on the right-hand side next to Roblox, and then click on Advanced Options. Scroll all the way down here to this Reset option, and we're going to go ahead and press this Repair button. Just give this a couple of seconds to complete, and then once we've done that, we're then going to press this Reset button at the bottom here, and we can confirm just by clicking Reset. And then once you've done that, you can close out of the Settings window, and we're going to right-click somewhere on our desktop, and we're going to come inside of Display Settings here, and scroll down to this Scale and Layout section, and you need to ensure that your scale here is set to the recommended amount. So I've got mine set to 150, and that's simply because it's recommended here. And you need to do the exact same for the display resolution. Just make sure your resolution is set to the recommended number here. And then we're going to close out of this window and we're going to try launching up the game. And then once you've got the game running up here, another way that we can fix this issue is by changing the screen into full screen mode size. And you can do this by pressing the F11 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also press the Alt and Enter key, and this will also bring up full screen mode. And this is another way that you can fix this issue. So if that still doesn't work, we can close out of the Roblox app. And the next thing we're going to do is come over to our Start menu, and we're going to search for Roblox inside of here. And if you're having an issue with the Roblox player, which you've installed from the official Roblox website, then what you can do is right-click on this Roblox player here. Come into Open File Location, and then we're going to right-click on this Roblox player. Inside of Properties, and come over to the Compatibility tab, and you just need to ensure that Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as administrator above ticked down here, and press Apply and OK to save these changes. And once again, we can try launching up the app to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working, the last thing that you can try is using an alternate version of the app. So if you're using a web version, for instance, you can try downloading the app from the official Microsoft Store. And if you're using the Microsoft Store version, you can try using the web version. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now solved your issue. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.